My name is Alex Wagner. I work for the Department of Pediatrics. I work as a Pediatric Hospitalist at Prisma Health Toomey and also work in a Pediatric Concussion Clinic. I grew up in Muncie, Indiana, which is a little small town in Indiana, but have been in Columbia, South Carolina for my education since. I did undergrad medical school at USC and have done all my training through Prisma Health, which included a pediatric residency and a sports medicine fellowship. The Pediatric Concussion Clinic is a service available through the Department of Pediatrics for evaluations of kids of all ages with concussions from any cause. So we'll see kids that have your simple sport-related concussion to those with more complex injuries, including motor vehicle accidents or prolonged concussion symptoms. My role as a pediatric hospitalist at Prisma Health Toomey is to take care of any newborns delivered in the hospital there, as well as trying to be an extension of the Children's Hospital in Columbia and keep kids in their community by being able to take care of them in Sumter instead of them having to transfer to the Children's Hospital. So my interest for pediatrics stemmed from, as a child, I always wanted to go into pediatrics and I've always loved being around kids and working with kids. Through residency, I discovered that I really liked the hospitalized patient and also discovered an interest for sports medicine. One of my out-of-medicine interests is sports, and so being able to take care of athletes naturally drove me to being interested in that field of medicine. When it comes to concussions, so much of that is cutting edge, and we don't know a lot about it, and I feel like a lot of the work we're doing in our clinic is helping to discover the new standard of care for concussion management, and it's just exciting to be a part of something that's in development. With a background in pediatrics, educating patients is one of our strongest things that we learn in residency and one of the most important tools we have. A lot of things and problems that kids have really can just be solved with good education. Our concussion clinic tries to resemble that as best as we can, providing lots of good education to our patients through handouts, through long visits where we can spend lots of time making sure families understand what's needed for the care of patients. Outside of medicine, I really enjoy sports, kind of in all aspects. I love playing sports with my kids. I love watching sporting events, going to sporting events. My kids are one of my biggest interests in my family. We kind of, whenever I have time off, we just like to spend time together, whether that's going outdoors or going down to Soda City or the zoo, just enjoying things around Columbia. To make an appointment with me, ask your primary care provider for a referral.